Hey y'all, it's Lisa Zahia, your life and business coach, and it is a beautiful Monday here in Manhattan, New York City. Hopefully the sun is shining where you are. It is currently, let's ask my Apple Watch, it is 64 degrees. I just went and got some lunch, and a man, while I was walking to lunch, because strangers love to talk to you in New York City, he said, "What does your jewelry say about you?" And I said, "I'm aligned with the universe, but I'm also a boss." You can have both. So, anyway, that's a little bit about what I wanted to talk to you about today. Something I have been like introducing into my coaching and in my business is how to really create the life you want. So, I see clients all the time, and I see people who succeed very quickly, and I see people where that's more of a struggle. No judgments anywhere, of course. However, what I've noticed is for the people who succeed quickly, they have another thing to add to the equation. And this is the equation. Like, we have the strategy. That's what I teach, how to grow a business, right? We have the strategy, we have the great business. But the third element to really create an amazing business is the human who can do it all. Because even with that strategy, you see people, like get in their own way all the time. They sabotage that by not being the person who can do it. So, something I teach is probably what would commonly be called to as manifestation. I have shied away from that word for a long time because it's sort of been overused and misused a lot. Meaning, like, there's a lot of people who think you can, toxic positivity, that you can light and love your way out of anything, that is an excuse or a way to deal with things we need to deal with as a society, like systemic racism, right? So, but instead, what I really think is I've been able to create the life that I want, the business that I want to create. Like, I grew my business 90% in a year last year. And partially that was because I was able to align and become the person who could do it, therefore, to create faster and like ultimately get as creative as possible. Anyway, I wanted to tell you about that because I'm teaching a 6-hour mindset intensive that will change how you think, that will change how you do things. And it is called Practical Manifestation. And it starts this Sunday, 2 hours this Sunday, 2 hours the last Sunday of the month. There's a lot of work in between, so there's 2 weeks. And then 2 hours on June 12th. Lots of info, but if you're ready to change your life, and this is not just for business people, I'd love to see you there. The link is in the profile.